Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted more control over your data in Power BI, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to dynamically add or remove columns in Power BI. Whether you're cleaning up your reports or customizing what data you see, these skills are essential for making your dashboards truly your own. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to confidently manage columns in Power BI tables, both adding new ones and deleting ones you don't need. Let's dive right in. So first things first, you'll want to open up Power BI. Launch the app and open the report or dataset you're working with. Now, sometimes it can feel a little intimidating when you have a big data set in front of you, but I promise taking control of your columns is actually really straightforward once you know how. To add a new column, we'll need to be in the right view. So take a look at the left side of your Power BI workspace. You'll see a set of icons there. We want the one that looks like a little table. That's called the data view or table view. Go ahead and give that a click. This switches your workspace over so you can see your tables and all their current columns, almost like looking at a spread-out Excel sheet, but with all the powerful capabilities of Power BI behind it. Alright, now that you're in the table view, let's add a new column. Look at the menu near the top and you'll spot an option called New Column. Click that. What this is doing is giving you the ability to define a new field inside your dataset. Maybe you want to create a calculated field, or maybe you just need to track something new for reporting purposes. For this example, let's make it super clear how it works. In the formula bar that appears, type in something like last name equals last name. And then hit save or press enter. Now you might be wondering, why would I just add a column with the text last name in every row? And that's a great question. Sometimes when learning, it helps to get comfortable with the process before jumping into more complex calculations. But in real-world scenarios, you'll likely use formulas here to create calculated columns. Maybe you concatenate first and last names, or calculate ages from birth dates, or flag certain records. This simple example is your first step, and from here you can get creative based on your project's needs. Alright, but what if you added a column by mistake or you realize you just don't need one anymore? Removing it is just as easy. Simply find the column you want to remove in the table view, right-click on its name and you'll see an option that says Delete. Choose that and Power BI will ask for a quick confirmation. This is a little safety net so you don't delete something important by accident. Go ahead and click Yes if you're sure. And that's it, the column is gone from your table and your data is tidied up. Just a tip, don't worry if you make a mistake. It's completely normal when learning Power BI or experimenting with your data. You can always undo or restore from previous saves if you need to backtrack. And that covers it. Now you know how to add and remove columns in Power BI, small steps that give you powerful ways to customize your reports and gain more control over your data. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials just like this. There's always more to explore in Power BI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.